marshalling, proper communication and safety are required. To achieve this, we use specific tools to help the aircraft accordingly. Today, I will be presenting to you the tools that we used in order to complete this activity. First is the high visibility vest. This vest allows us to easily be seen by the pilot and the other ground crew. Since the airport ramp can be dangerous and busy at times, this vest allows us to prevent accidents from happening at all times. Next is the marshalling wands. These are lighted balloons used to give clear visual signals to the pilot. They're very important, especially during night operations or low visibility, because they guide the aircraft safety while taxiing, turning, and parking. Lastly, we have hearing protection, such as earmuffs or earplugs. Aircraft's engine can produce very loud noise which can damage our hearing. This equipment helps protect our ears while we perform duties on the ramp. For this part, Ben will demonstrate a simulated scenario showing the correct application of marshalling signals in a real-world situation. In this scenario, an aircraft is approaching the designated parking bay. As the marshaller, Ben will position himself in front of the aircraft within the pilot's line of sight, while wearing a complete set of safety equipment. First, Ben will hold the standby signal to instruct the aircraft to remain in position and wait for further guidance. This ensures that the area is safe and ready before movement begins. Once ready, he will begin guiding the aircraft by giving signals to turn left or turn right depending on the required direction. Finally, when the aircraft reaches the correct position, he will give the normal stop signal by raising and crossing both wands above his head. indicating that the aircraft must come to a complete stop. This sequence ensures safe, accurate, and efficient aircraft movement during ground operations.